An investigation by the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center or CICC has uncovered that thousands of unregistered SIM cards are allegedly being used to defraud the public. In light of these findings, the CICC is continuously reminding the public to ignore or not entertain texts or calls from unknown numbers. Authorities are urging everyone to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity to help combat this growing threat. Stay informed and stay safe.
Well, to play safe because of the prevalence of these scams, no? Marami talagang naglipanan niya. When you are unsure, do not reply, no? Kung text message yan, lalo na kung may instructions galing sa bangko, you don't even reply to that, no? Instead, you go to your bank. Sabihin natin, aksidenteng sinagot mo. Diba? Sabihin na lang natin, do not engage them anymore. Pag kinakausap kayo, nagbebenta o kung ano-ano, disengage immediately. You don't need to entertain them.
Because of this problem, CICC plans to coordinate with the National Telecommunication Commission or NTC to find a way to stop these activities.
Kasi we need to sit down with NTC to discuss, kasi silang regulator natin, hindi naman kami ang regulator, no? We will provide the information to NTC. Ito na yung findings namin. Is there a violation? Ano ba ang dapat natin gawin to curtail this kind of modus para ma-warn yung public o matanggal natin yung mga scammers sa system?
CICC also found some loopholes in the systems of telecommunications companies, so they wait for the explanation regarding the issue. Moreover, it is better to report these texts or calls to authorities like CICC rather than replying or entertaining those possible scams. Jed Meresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.